In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Glassdoor. Whether you're job hunting, researching a company, or gauging your market value, I'll walk you through the essentials so you can make confident career decisions. First, log in. Open your browser or the Glassdoor app and sign in with your email and password. Once you're in, you'll land on the homepage where you can quickly jump into your job search. To search for jobs, head to the Jobs tab. Type in the job title you're targeting and the location where you want to work, then hit search. You'll see a list of openings that match your criteria. Use the filters to narrow things down. Set the date posted to see the most recent roles, choose a job type like full-time or contract, define your salary range, and filter by company rating if you want to focus on higher reviewed employers. Click any job listing to read the full description, qualifications, benefits, and application instructions. If it looks promising but you're not ready to apply, save it so you can come back later. When you're ready, select Apply to follow the employer's process. If you want to learn more about a company, search the company name and open its page. Scroll to Reviews and Ratings to read feedback from current and former employees. Pay attention to comments about pay, culture, and leadership, and look for consistent themes across multiple reviews. Recent reviews can provide a clearer snapshot of what it's like to work there today, and you can compare insights across locations or departments to get a well-rounded view. To check salaries, go to the Salaries section. Enter your job title and location to see estimated pay ranges. These ranges are helpful for understanding the market and planning negotiations. You might need to unlock certain content under Glassdoor's Give to Get policy, which typically means contributing your own anonymous salary or review data to access more detailed insights. Sharing accurate information helps keep the community data robust and useful. Finally, make the most of filters and tools. Refine results by rating, salary, and whether a role is remote or on-site, so you only see opportunities that fit your needs. Use Know Your Worth to estimate a fair salary for your role and location. This tool combines your background with market data to give you a personalized range, which can be a strong starting point for negotiation. Revisit it periodically as your experience grows or your location changes. That's it. Log in, search jobs, review companies, check salaries, and use the filters and Know Your Worth tool to steer your next move with confidence.